Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bittrex for enhanced security, beginner guide step by step clearly. Creating an account on Bittrex is your first step. Visit the official Bittrex website. Click on sign up in the upper right corner. Fill out the required information in the registration form. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to verify your account. Log in to your newly created account. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Go to the Settings tab. Select Two-Factor Authentication and follow the prompts. Use a reliable authentication app like Google Authenticator. Once set up, enter the provided code to complete the process. Next, review your account's security settings. Navigate to Account and then API Keys. Here, you can create new API keys for trading. Limit API key permissions to enhance security. Disable withdrawal permission for extra safety. Now, consider utilizing Bittrex's withdrawal whitelist feature. This feature allows you to specify trusted withdrawal addresses. Go to Settings and select Withdrawal Whitelist. Add any addresses you want to whitelist for withdrawals. Make sure to save your changes once added. To further secure your account, be cautious with phishing attempts. Always verify email addresses before clicking any links. Use a unique email address dedicated solely to your Bittrex account. Regularly update your password to maintain security. Lastly, stay informed on Bittrex's latest security updates. Following these steps will significantly enhance your Bittrex account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.